drive across the dam, yeah, because it's damn fun. Well, wasn't that damn fun? Indeed. Okay, so we're at the Hoover Dam, one of the, what, 8 wonders of the world, is it? And then, so we're here and it's awesome, but yet David just wants to be on his phone.
That's not true.
Yeah, he was just texting somebody. So, say hi. Say hi. I'm on my phone. Yeah, I'm on my phone. If you ever thought about going over the dam and want to use it as a slide, this is what it would look like. Whee! All the way to your death. So Hoover Dam on the Arizona side, there's this little building right there, and not a lot of people know that used to be a gun turret location for back in World War II. They thought Japan would come and take out the dam, and there was one on each side, but the one on the Nevada side's been destroyed. So that's the only one left. So that's pretty neat. Well, that was your dam tour. I'm your dam tour guide, Superman.
contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I could go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear, but your words speak much louder than all my fears. Sometimes I just wanna disappear, running until I can feel you near. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I could go?